think we could begin, ma'am, because we're around 41 now, and I think I can see a lot of kids requesting us to begin. So,
Hi everyone. Ready to bake? You can put it in the chat box. So we are making smoothie today and we are making breakfast cookies. So first thing that we'll do is we'll make the cookies, and while the cookies are baking in the oven, we'll make the smoothie also. Okay, so all set. So for the breakfast cookies now. We are waiting for 2-3 more minutes and then we'll start. And then add on to it. So everybody has the ingredients ready.
we will begin in just 2 minutes because um, we are just 54 right now. So let's wait for your friends to join as well. And we know how it is, right? If they miss the class, so we're just waiting, and then we'll start. I can see a lot of siblings today. Ayana and SMD kids, the name. And we've got Monal Bhatia. So there are a lot of siblings in today's class. And there's a big smile on Suma's face. Samira, you've got such lovely stuff behind. You can see nice. Interesting. Priti, Divya, and Aya, you guys can also turn on your cameras and we can all see. And we've got Akshara and Shreyasi, Ariana, Darsh. Interesting.
Teza, so could you just unpin these SMD kids because otherwise my screen is getting divided in half.
I haven't seen this.
Somehow they've got spotlighted.
No, they're not in the spotlight. I think it's just you who's in the spotlight.
No, because I'm getting them in on half my screen and it's showing a pin out there. So they've been pinned, I think.
There's an option on your right, top right side, where you can view the screen in gallery mode.
No, that's okay. But I'm seeing only
Okay.
these kids. I'm getting half the screen, me and half them.
Oh, but allow no, I don't see anything though. There's no spotlight and there's no.
I think then you need to spotlight me only.
Yeah, you're just it's just you who's on the spotlight.
Because I'm getting them because it's like creating a disturbance here.
That's strange. Um, it's just yeah.
It's okay, they were pinned. I've removed the pin. Should we start because the children are getting impatient now?
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to start with the introduction or should I just start straight away?
Whichever works the best for you.
I think you start by introducing and then I'll take it up from there. Are you taking it up or should I just start?
You can just.
Okay. Okay. Hi kids. So what we are going to make today is we are going to make some breakfast cookies and we are going to make a smoothie. Okay, if you don't have one or more ingredients, I can give you replacements. Otherwise, you can just watch and make later. Okay, so we'll start with the cookies first. As the cookies are baking, we'll also make the smoothie. So the smoothie will be fresh to have when we are having the cookies. Okay. So now we'll start with the cookies. We will first start with a banana. in the recipe, I've written 1/2 cup of mashed banana, which is like 2 bananas of this size. And if your banana is overripe, it's better because it'll, it's better for baking if your bananas are overripe. So we'll start with this. I'm making half the recipe, half the quantity. Okay, so don't get confused. I'm taking 1 banana, but if you're making all the cookies together, you need to take 2 bananas. 1 banana is 1/4 cup of mashed banana. So I'll just take the banana and I'm just going to mash it up. You can use anything to mash it up. To this banana, I will add peanut butter. If you don't have peanut butter, you can even use regular butter. Once the banana is mashed properly, we will just use peanut butter. So we need to mash the banana properly. Now we'll add the peanut butter to the banana. So again, 1/2 cup of peanut butter. If you don't have peanut butter, you can use your regular butter. Normal Amul butter will do. So we have 1/2 cup of mashed banana or 2 mashed bananas, and we have a 1/2 cup of butter here. Peanut butter we use instead of butter because it's more healthy, it's more proteins, and proteins are good for us. So we'll just mash the butter and the bananas together. Now to this, I will add honey, 1/2 cup. If you don't have honey, you can add sugar, you can add brown sugar. But honey is healthier, so we add honey and it's yummier. So here goes a 1/2 cup honey. And while we are doing all this, now we can put the oven on. We need to preheat our oven. The temperature for the oven should be 180 degrees. So we can put it on now. While we are preparing everything, the oven will get hot. So I've got the bananas, the butter and the honey here. I'm just going to give it a good whisk, mix it well together. And to this, what I need to add, what other liquid do we have in the recipe? We have milk, which we will not add now, but we will add a vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. If you don't have vanilla essence, you can skip it, it's okay. Okay, somebody doesn't have an oven. So if you have a microwave, you can bake in the microwave. You can bake. You will have to check for the timing, but it will get done in about 15 minutes in the microwave also. Here I'm going to add the vanilla essence. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Microwave, if you have convection microwave, that will work very well. If it is a regular microwave, there may be a problem, but you can still try it out. So we have all our liquid ingredients except the milk. We have not put in the milk yet. Everything else we have here. Okay, so now we will take all our dry ingredients in a separate bowl. So what do we have in the dry ingredients? We have 1 cup of oats. I have taken normal, regular, instant oats. Now, if you don't have oats, this 1 cup also you can take flour, and I'll take 1/2 cup of flour. This is normal atta that we have in the house. Okay, and to this we'll add the baking powder. Half a teaspoon of baking powder we need to add. And we'll add the raisins. If you don't have raisins, any other nuts, almonds, walnuts, anything will do. So here we'll mix all these dry things together. Then we'll add all of this into a liquid, that is a banana, peanut butter and honey. And we can mix it. Use a spoon, use a spatula if you have one. Now, we still had not added any milk. So we just need to first mix this. If it is too wet, we will not add any milk at all. If it becomes very dry, if you take all atta instead of oats, it will become very dry. So then we can add the milk little by little. Right now, I don't think we need to add any milk because my batter is very liquidy. So I'm not going to add the milk at all. But if you need, if your atta looks very dry, little milk, little by little, add your milk till you get this kind of consistency. Your atta should be falling like this. Now my oven is preheating. So I'll take a tray. I'm just taking a tray from the oven, the baking tray. You can use any tray, any place. And I'm going to put a little butter on it to grease it very lightly. And I'm going to take this dough, sticky. So I'll just, if it's too sticky, what you can do is you can take a little flour. I'll just take. There are 2 ways to do it. If it's too sticky, you can take a little flour, or you can just wet your hands. Once you wet your hands also, it's easier to make the cookies. So here I'll just take, I wet my hands and I'm making the cookies. See, when I'm putting them on the tray, can you all see? I'm putting them a little apart from each other because they're going to spread a little. It's sticking again, so I'll just wash my hands once. These are called breakfast cookies because they're made of all healthy things like peanut butter, honey, oats, things that you have for breakfast. Healthy but yummy things. A lot of people are asking questions. Faiza, can you read them out?
Okay, so someone said, how to make in convection mode in microwave, please let me know.
In convection mode, again the temperature will be 180. They have to preheat and it will get done maybe a little faster in this oven. In this oven, it will take about 20 minutes. In a convection mode, it should get done in 10 to 15 minutes. The temperature remains same, that is 180 degrees centigrade or medium if they don't have temperature control. And you have to preheat it.
And Shivali said she has no soda.
No soda. She has no baking powder.
Yes.
So, okay, today she can make it without baking powder because the banana will also help the cookie to rise. But there will be a little texture difference. But if she wants to make it today, she can make it without the baking powder. If she has a little Eno at home, that can be used.
Okay.
Shivali, if you have Eno, you can use that instead of the baking powder.
And I can see someone asked, Sudarshana says, ma'am, if we don't have oven, what will you do?
See, if you don't have oven, these cookies are difficult to bake because either you need an oven or a microwave. You can even use a cooker to bake, but then the system of baking changes completely, which will be very difficult for me to explain right now. But if there is someone at home who knows how to bake in a cooker, you can take help from that. But that will have to be done on a gas and in a cooker.
And we have Zena and Amna who are asking about, can we use eggs instead of bananas?
Yes, you can.
Samira says,
Instead of these two bananas, you would have two eggs.
and Samira says, where to use cinnamon powder?
Oh, I forgot to use the cinnamon powder, but yeah, we could have mixed in the dry ingredients. They taste very nice when you put oats and raisin. They taste very nice with cinnamon powder, but I somehow forgot to add mine. So my oven is preheated. I'm putting this tray into bake. It will take about, the temperature is 180 degrees. It's going to take about 20 minutes to bake. So we'll wait for everybody to catch up, and then we'll make the smoothie while the cookies are still baking in the oven. I see a lot of people are baking, a lot of children are baking today. Samira seems to have a very good consistency of the flour. You've used all flour, I think, instead of oats, but that's nice. Baking soda and baking powder have two different functions. A soda helps to aerate, and the baking powder helps in the actual baking, the rising of the batter. In cookies, we use only baking powder and we don't use soda. If you don't have for some reason soda, you can use a little bit of ENO. A baking powder, you can use a little bit of ENO. So Shaisha has the cookies all on her tray. Nice. Samira, your dough is done. You can start shaping your cookies. You don't need to keep kneading it. Make small balls, pat them down. Shivali is doing a wonderful job of cutting that apple. Guys, you can put your videos on. We would like to look at you, all of you.
Okay, Vaibhav has personally messaged and is asking me about where to use milk.
Where do you?
Use milk.
Milk I didn't use because my dough was very sticky. I was saying right from the beginning, the milk is optional. We'll use it only if the dough looks very dry. Because sometimes what happens when we are mashing banana, it won't be exactly how much we need. It could be a little bit more, but we can't waste that banana. So we mash the whole thing up. So, I didn't need to use the milk, but if your dough is too dry, you can use the milk little by little. Somebody is asking, are we making cookies or smoothie? Right now, the cookies are in the oven. We'll be making the smoothie. Once everybody who's doing the cookies is with me, let them get done. Let the cookies go in the oven, and we'll make the smoothie. The cookies you'll need to bake them from about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll show that in a bit how they should look if they are when they are done. Mine have been in the oven for 10 minutes now.
Akshita, I think ma'am had mentioned 10 minutes for the baking time. Sunita ma'am, if you could tell them about how much time in the oven they have to keep the cookies for.
You have to keep them if you're using a regular oven for 15 to 20 minutes till they bake. I'll show what they will look like when they are baked. If you're using a convection microwave, they will get done in between 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So right now I'll just show they should look dry on the top. You should be able to move them in the oven. So once they are done, I'll be showing how they should look because every oven is different. So the cooking time will be different for every oven, but the average time is 15 to 20 minutes to bake cookies like this. See, right now mine are still very wet. They should become dry. They should not be wet anymore. Fatima is asking, I came late, how to make cookies. So to make the cookies, the recipe is there. You start with the banana, mash in the butter in it, add the honey, the vanilla essence, and mix it up well. And then you mix your dry ingredients, that is your flour, oats, raisins, baking powder, and your cinnamon powder, everything together. Mix both the things, make small balls on a greased tray and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. There will be the videos will be on Facebook. Anybody who's missed it can watch it there later. The cookies will not become very. Shivali is asking something. The cookies will not become very crisp inside the oven. They will remain soft. When they cool down, they will become a little bit more crisp. But I will just show in 2 minutes how to check whether your cookies are done or not. Yes, we'll be making the smoothie. Uh, you don't need to turn the cookies in the oven. Even if it's looking dry, I will show you. You should be able to move them easily. I'll just show you how it should be. Just give me 5 minutes for them to bake. We can start the smoothie while we are waiting for everybody to get your smoothie cookies in the oven. So now we'll get on with the smoothie. So I'm taking the mixie jar and we have our ingredients. We had one banana. First, we'll start with the strawberry or chopped apples. I'm taking strawberry. Half a cup of strawberries I have, which I'm putting in the mixer. Now I will add the orange juice to it. I'm taking a Tetra Pak. You can take 1 cup orange juice. Fresh orange juice is always better. Take one small banana. Now what I have is a very big banana, so I'm going to take half of it. I'm putting the banana in. I'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar here. And a 1/4 cup of milk. Now, if you don't want to add milk, you can add little dahi, yogurt, curds, which everybody has. Otherwise, 1/4 cup of milk. And I'll just churn it in the mix. If you're allowed ice, you can add a little ice to this also while churning. Can we add anything else instead of banana? In a smoothie, it's thicker than your milkshake, so a banana gives body to it. But if you don't have banana, then you add dahi instead of milk to all your other ingredients. So you take your strawberries, you take your juice, you add dahi, and you make it. But a banana is what gives the smoothie the very we have to run the mixie till everything is blended properly. So we have 2 glasses of smoothie that is there. But I'll just need to blend it a little bit more because there's still some strawberry chunks. So since we have a lot of siblings today, both of you can have this smoothie and share the cookies. Exactly 2 glasses of smoothie we have today. We have these 2 glasses of smoothie. Now I'll just show the cookies, how they should look, how they should be. Now see these cookies, the edges have brown. They're still soft, but the edges are brown. And when I am pushing them, they're coming off neatly from the tray. They're not sticking at the bottom and they've browned at the bottom. So these cookies are done and we'll just let them cool down on a separate plate. As they cool down, they'll become a little bit more crisp. They're right now very soft and spongy. They'll become a little bit more crisp as they cool down. I'll just get a plate. See, they're coming off easily from the tray. So that is when they're done. If we leave them on the tray, the hot tray to cool down, they'll stick again. So we need to remove them, but we need to check that they're moving easily, not sticking anymore. That's when they are done. Otherwise, they would be kacha. As they cool down, they'll become slightly more crisp. You can't keep them so warm right now. So what we have today is 2 glasses of smoothie and we have a plate full of breakfast cookies. Uh, everything yummy but healthy. So healthy food can be yummy also. The video will be on Facebook. In the smoothie, you need to add sugar. There's 1 tablespoon, about 1 tablespoon. And again, it will depend on how sweet your fruits are or not. I see Shaisa's cookies are baked. Shaichi's cookies also look baked to me. I'm seeing Monal enjoying, Monal and Sanvi Bhatia, you're enjoying your smoothies. Thank you, Jasmine. Shaisha has a question. Anybody would like to show what they've baked? I'm seeing Maid Podar happily enjoying this smoothie. So who's made what? I think now you guys can unmute and who wants to show what they've made? Shivali. Faiza, can you just put the spotlight on her? Shrishti, have you made both the things? So we would like to see it. Do put your pictures on Facebook. Shrishti Tyagi, Shrishti. Yeah, Shivali. Now you can show what you made. I've
Yeah.
unmuted you.
So these are my cookies. They have become golden brown.
Show. Wow. So they look nice. Do they taste good?
Yeah, ma'am. The raisin is still hot, but it's tasting good. And here's my smoothie, ma'am. 1 minute, I'll show it to you. Yeah, ma'am. And ma'am, I just forgot to keep the baking soda, but still it's tasting good. The
Okay.
cookie.
Very nice. So, Sheshi, would you like to show what you've done? Come, I'll unmute you. You can talk about it. Unmute and talk. Show what you've done. You can talk about it. I've unmuted you, no? You can talk.
Yes, ma'am.
Little higher. So the cookies taste good.
Yes, ma'am.
You made the smoothie also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So afternoon snack, evening snacks, you're going to enjoy them?
Ma'am.
Okay. Now who else has baked? Who else wants to show what they've done? See the cookies as they lie around, no? When they cool down, they'll become a little bit more crisp. Okay, Shivali. I've seen your thing. You want to leave, you can. But remember to put on Facebook on the page your photos. As it's after 6, if everybody is done, can we end the thing? Because most of the children have left, only we have 15 kids left with us. Reza, should we say bye now? Anybody else has any questions? Okay, kids. Hope you enjoyed. Jasmine is saying something. No. You're doing something, you're in between. Okay, Jasmine. You are asking something? Okay. Chalo. Bye bye. Bye everyone.